Welcome to 110% accurate 17 attempts analysis and paper prediction for May 2026 attempt CA final FR. Do like this video because it has taken me hours and hours of hard work and analysis. I am keeping a like target of 750 likes. Let's see if we are able to achieve it or not. If we are able to achieve it, I will bring more such videos. May 2018 to Jan 26, I have seen each and every past paper, RTP, MTP, Students Journal, all module questions, model test paper, MCQ booklets, old as well as new, BOS portal MCQs I have analyzed, and this is the most in-depth, never seen before, accurate analysis. PDF you will get on my Telegram channel, CA Shankar Lakhwani. Join it and then leave after exams. But currently, please join it. See, I have decoded what all questions will be asked. Question 1, business combination console FS. Question 2, Ind AS 109. So I will be discussing it in detail. Question 5 is fixed. Ind AS 115, 101, analysis of FS, Ind AS 1. So I will be discussing in detail and I will be sharing with you low efforts, most scoring ABC analysis. This is the most accurate ABC analysis based on all the trend analysis and future expectations. That what all things ICI can test. In this I have categorized ABC category. Also I have told approach that Ind AS 115. Do only questions, no need to focus on concepts, and also I have told which are most important. See, I have written in bracket very important. So obviously you need to focus on A category, but very important, you have to do it. You can't leave it at any cost. And at the end I will tell you some important points about how to prepare, right? Do like the video, don't watch it without giving it a like. Average paper will be there. Average paper means there will be direct questions from module plus new questions will be framed. Okay, this is called average paper. Paper will be very lengthy. May 26 paper is gonna be super lengthy for FR. So you need to keep speed from the very first minute. 70% of the paper will be from ICI module. Dicto questions you will see. Right? Sir, what about the rest 30%? See, rest 30% will be new questions. Because it is a professional exam. So obviously new questions will be there. Or they can ask similar questions of ICI module with 1 or 2 new adjustments. Right? But 70% of the paper will be from ICI module questions. So what I will suggest is, it's okay if your concept notes, you have not done concept notes. It's okay if you are not confident with your concept notes. Just leave those concept notes aside and just focus on questions. Don't run behind each and every concept. Just leave those concept books and just focus on question solving. Solve that question either by hook or crook. You understand it, memorize it, I don't know, but please solve questions because questions will repeat. Concept notes are of no use. Concept notes will be useful for those 20-30% new questions, but please first focus on those 70% direct questions. Simple? Yes. Question 1 will be either from business combination or consolidated FS. Short 14 marks question, but never ever start your paper with question 1. This is the biggest mistake due to which students fail in FR. Even in 15 minutes reading time, don't even touch question 1. Read other questions. Because question 1 is gonna be lengthy and it is gonna have many new adjustments. So always attempt it at last. In last 25-30 minutes. 20-25-30 minutes. Question 2A, short. Ind AS 109 financial instruments. You can leave Ind AS 32 and Ind AS 107, right? It is also of 10 marks. Sir, question 2B will be from part 1. Sir, what is part 1? See, let me tell you about my ABC analysis. I have categorized entire FR syllabus, vast FR syllabus into 5 parts. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have given you ABC analysis. A category chapters will be of 70 marks. B category chapters will be of 25 marks. And C category will be asked for 25 marks. A and B category you must finish. Only A category is not sufficient. You have to do A category, then B category. So finish A category first, then go for B category, revise it properly. Then, if time permits, go for C category, otherwise leave it. Maximum it will be asked of 25 out of 118 marks. Like 118 marks paper will be there, C category will be of 25 marks. So my suggestion will be focus on A and B properly. C you can ignore or you can keep it for last. If you have time, keep it for last. If you don't have time, just ignore it. Part 1, you can see Introduction to Ind AS Conceptual Framework. See, PDF you will get on my Telegram channel. ABC I have written, right? Ind AS 115, don't focus on concepts. Focus on only questions because there are so many concepts you won't be able to tackle it currently. It is very important. It is going to be asked short. See, Ind AS 115. Question number 5A, right? So this you have to do. This is part 1, right? Yes, sir. So part 1 except Ind AS 115. Question 2B will be from part 1. Sir, why Ind AS 115? Why except Ind AS 115? Because Ind AS 115 will be asked here. Question 5A. Okay, sir, understood. Then question 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B will be from part 2, part 3, part 2, part 3. Sir, what is part 2, part 3? Please explain. Part 2 again, I have written some Ind AS. Just join my Telegram channel. Leave after exams. Download this from there. Ind AS 116 is very important. Ind AS 116 super important for this attempt. Please don't leave it. Part 3 again, it is of 18 marks, and in this Ind AS 108, please don't leave this. Ind AS 102, please don't leave this. So obviously I have marked A category, B category, C category, but in A category also I have marked very important, very important. Array, please don't leave this. Please do this, right? Part 4, part 5, see part 4 34 marks, part 5 12 marks. Again, these three are very important because short questions will come, and technology and accounting is more important for this attempt. Professional ethics with accounting concepts is B category. Obviously, B category also you have to do it, but first cover A category, right? Yes, sir. Question 5A, Ind AS 115 only questions. Question 5B, Ind AS 101 or analysis of FS, any one will be asked. Question 5C, Ind AS 1 or introduction to Ind AS, right? Or conceptual framework. Now, my best suggestion would be leave question 5 fully. You have an option of leaving one question. Array, leave question 5. If I would be there in your place, I would leave question 5. Because Ind AS 115, it's tough and lengthy. Like, it's not tough, it's lengthy. Chalo. It's lengthy. Analysis of FS, it's tough. And all this is theory. Generally, students don't like theory. Array, so focus on all other areas. You know, you can leave one question, leave question 5 from today itself. Don't do Ind AS 115. Ind AS 115 is A category, but it is A category only if you are going to attempt question number 5. Okay. So if you are planning to leave question 5, don't touch Ind AS 115. Don't touch Ind AS 101. Don't touch analysis of FS. Again, these can come in MCQ. Let's say these all come in MCQs for 8 marks. Worst case scenario, 8 marks. So yeah, risk will be there. But then you will have to perform exceptionally good in your descriptive part. Right? Because module questions will be asked. So this you can do, this strategy you can do. So out of those 22 marks in MCQ, okay, leave 8 marks if all these things are for 8 marks. Now this is worst case scenario. They may be asked for even 4 marks, 2 marks. Then so there is no issue. But let's say if it is asked for 8 marks, out of those 22 marks in MCQ, I will aim for 18, right? And in descriptive part, I will give my super best. Because from today itself, I know that I don't have to do Ind AS 115, 101, analysis of FS, Ind AS 1, introduction to Ind AS conceptual framework, right? Again, sir. Question number 6A, accounting and technology or professional ethics. Anyone will be asked. You can just focus on headings and use any summary notes. Don't refer ICI module for this. And again, part 2, part 1, except Ind AS 115, right? See, these are short questions. Question 5, short. These all things will be asked. Question 6 says short. Accounting and technology or professional ethics. Anyone will be asked. Right? Yes, sir. Now listen to some important things. 70 to 80 marks you can easily score in FR. Easily score in FR because it is like 70% of the questions are from module. So it is very easy. Plus you don't get 1.5 days. You get 5-6 days. Right? ICI module approach you can follow, or you can follow question bank approach. Sir, what is question bank approach? Important questions list that your teacher has given, follow it. Now in those important questions, if there are any RTP questions, MTP questions, past paper questions, do it. Follow that important questions list religiously. That important question list may have module questions, RTP, MTP. Don't see which is module question, which is RTP, MTP, don't see. Just follow that important questions list religiously. But if you are following ICI module approach, then do all questions of ICI module only. Ignore RTP, MTP, past paper. See, RTP, MTP is a waste of time in FR. 5% chances are there that paper will be from RTP, MTP. 5% chances. So just focus on module questions, right? Or if you are following question bank, then focus only on important questions. 100% questions you can't do in last 4 or 5 days. Long MCQs will be asked, AI based. First see requirement, then only read full case study. Okay? Not from ICI case scenario booklet. Generally, they will frame new questions for MCQs. Not like MCQs are not directly asked from ICI MCQ case scenario booklet. Either they use module questions, like either they will give you module questions dicto, or they will give you some new questions based on ICI module questions. They will add some 1 or 2 new adjustments. Again, in descriptive part, either you will get module questions. 70% of the paper will be from module questions except question 1. Question 1, they will add some new adjustments. And for the rest 30% paper, they will give you new questions, new adjustments, but don't worry, step marking will be there. You will get this PDF on Telegram channel. Do like the video, share with all your friends, comment yes, I will definitely score 70+ in FR.